It's official, Apple has just announced the iPhone 16e, and it's bringing some major changes. Say goodbye to the home button, hello to Face ID, and a brand new design. Let's dive in. The iPhone 16e is basically the successor to the iPhone SE, but this time Apple has ditched the old school Touch ID home button. Instead, we get a 606-inch OLED display with a notch for Face ID, just like the iPhone 14. It's almost the same size as the standard iPhone 16, but just a bit smaller. And for colors, well, you get two options, black or white, simple classic. Now, what's under the hood? The iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, which means it's fast and ready for Apple Intelligence, Apple's new AI features. Even the iPhone 15 can't run these, so this is a big deal. Apple hasn't confirmed it yet, but it's likely that the 16e has at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, the minimum required for Apple Intelligence. And good news, the base model now starts at 128 gigabytes of storage, so no more 64 gigabyte struggles. When it comes to cameras, the 16e only has one rear camera, a 48 megapixel sensor, no ultra-wide, no telephoto, just one solid main camera. And yes, USB-C is here. Apple has officially ditched Lightning, making it easier to use universal chargers. But there's a catch, no. MagSafe and wireless charging is limited to 75 watts, so it's slower than the higher-end iPhones. A huge behind-the-scenes change, the 16e is the first iPhone to use an Apple-made modem. Apple has been working for years to move away from Qualcomm, and now we're finally seeing their own tech in action. So how much does it cost the iPhone? 16e starts at $599, which is a big jump from the last iPhone SE at $429. But for that price, you're getting a more modern design, a bigger display, and the latest chip. Pre-orders start this Friday, and the phone ships on February 28th. So what do you think? Is the iPhone 16e worth it? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Apple updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.